Did you come back with milk?
Hot pink one.
Eternal Consort!
I was just eating breakfast and then a bright white light.
Bright white light! What happened to your breakfast?
I'm still eating it. I was holding it in my hand.
It's so nice to see you once again.
So what is this website you were talking about?
You don't even know what a website is, right? I wonder if there's a point in trying to talk about something you guys don't even understand the concept of. Yes.
What kind of knowledge does it hold?
It has all of our diary entries. It has all of the stuff that happened between us. So someone was being God and overwatching everything that was happening amongst us.
Overwatch?
Yeah. Overwatch? Does that ring a bell? Hear the voices? Are you okay? Are you okay, my Consort? She's hearing voices. Oh no! She came back with psychosis when she went to go get milk. I might suddenly be reading. I might be suddenly saying things that I usually wouldn't say when the event ends. But please don't mind me.
I don't even read her text.
I'm gonna be controlled by the gods in a bit.
Oh, okay, no worries. It's okay. You will speak through the voice of gods. I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Yes.
Yes, I will, brother.
Yes. You will sound a little bit more eloquent than usual, but that is fine.
I always sound eloquent. What do you mean?
Yes. You will sound a little bit more eloquent than usual, but that is fine.